Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and today we are going to plan out the month of August. So I'm using a kit from Sticker Mama Co. So it has the headers here, the extra boxes, of course the date headers, this little side area here, lots of labels, a few little decals there, and then some scripts. And then this was a freebie that I got in my last order and it goes with it. So I thought I might pop a few in there. So I'm going to speed through the base of this kit and then we will get started. Alright, I went ahead and put the dates off camera because it takes forever and they're square, so I didn't want to be super crooked. Alright, so first thing we have is my son's open house. So he is going to the high school. So we're going to go check that out on the 1st. And then the first day of school for the boys is on the 4th, which is so weird. Give them 2 days and then the weekend. But it's fine. So I'm going to put these there. And then we have my daughter's open house on the 5th there. So these two scripts are from Planner Kate, and then this one and the one I'm about to use for her first day is from Fern Creek Stickers. I'll do this one, and she starts on the 8th. She is going into preschool. My oldest is going into 8th grade, but they're merging with the high school, and then my middle son is going into 3rd grade. So next we have, I think the 24th, my husband and I are going to a corn concert with our friends. So I'm going to put this little Winston there. And then on the 25th, I know it's a weird day to have a concert, but it is what it is. The 25th is Braden's school pictures. I don't know when Kayson's and Mackenzie's are yet. This little picture day is from Simply Smith Stickers. Super cute. And then on the 31st, I do have a meeting for the wellness center that I work at. So we have this. This little script is from Orange Umbrella Co. And then also on the 1st, I need to remember to take my measurements, which I'm super excited to see because I can tell. I don't think I'm losing weight, but my inches are definitely coming off, which is, I'll take it as well. And then I'm just going to put these little paydays on every Friday. My husband gets paid 1 week and then I get paid the next. So it's nice to have a payday every week. So I'm going to put those there. And then I'm not going to put the no school. We don't have any no schools. We don't have sick days. And then my bills I put in my teacher planner. So over here, I am going to list my birthdays. So this birthday script is from Simply Smith Stickers. And then I'm just going to put a Winston here, like so. And then I'm just going to write on the 7th is my dad. And on the 7th is my cousin Cameron. And then on the 13th is my cousin Brock. And then on the 23rd is my cousin Ashley. And then over here, I'm just going to put a running, like, what my workout is, so like based on the classes. So I'm gonna start on down here. I don't even know if you can see this. Ooh, I'm on the edge here. Hang on. This is gonna look real bad. So I'm gonna put dance. I'm adding my Friday classes. 5:30. I cannot write. It's fine. And then Thursday will be, oh my goodness, looks like a child wrote this. Thursday will be dance. And wait a minute, hang on one second. All right, so I erased that. I remembered that I have this little Agenda 52 book, and I'm going to attempt to, I'm going to take this green just to pull in a little bit of the green and put it in there like that. And then I do have scripts for all my workout, so it's going to be a little bit big, but that's fine. And then we have Thursday here. And what did I say? So I have dance and pound on Thursday. Okay. And then Wednesday I just have bar. That in there. And then Tuesday I have dance, and then I might try this pumped up class. I don't have a sticker for that. Dance is first. And then on Monday, there is a new HIT class. And that sticker is a lot bigger because it's in a different font. That's fine. Okay. Now let's try this again. So that is going to be, I'm just going to put at 6:30, at 5:30, and then this is pumped up strength. I'm just going to put pump. And that's going to be at 6:30. Bar is at 6:30. Dance is at 5:30. Still can't write. It's fine. And then pound is at 6:30. And then my dance class is at 5:30. Okay, doesn't look super great, but it looks fine. And then my daughter does have school. Dang it. Hang on. So unprepared. Let's see. There it is. Flipped right to it. She has school Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Put that in there. So I'm going to put this here. And then Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 8 to 12. Wow. And I don't know when her pictures are either. So I think that's it. Not too much is happening. Like I said, we haven't went to their open houses yet. I'm sure we will get information on days then. But for now, this will work for me. Oh wait, let me put... We're going to go see Corn and Evanescence. I don't know if I said that or not, but it should be a fun time. So that is how this kit turned out. I do PR for her, so if you want to use my code, I will show you my little freebie here. So it's really cute. If you can't tell, my favorite color is purple. It works, so go ahead and stop over there. She just did some new releases, and they're super cute. They're fall themed, obviously what we're looking for right now. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.